Hikeren Handheld Vacuum, 7 powerful cyclonic suction wet and dry vacuum cleaner, cordless handheld vacuum with stainless steel HEPA filter, rechargeable portable handheld vac with lithium battery. 7000 PA powerful cyclonic suction Hikeren handheld vacuum equipped with 100W ultra high powerful motor with suction up to 7 Pa. Great for daily cleaning, including hairs, dust, pet hair and paper debris. And smart choice for car cleaning and office cleaning and home cleaning, wet-dry double use. It provides an all-around protection for your daily life. Quick Charge Tech and Multiple Protection Hikeren Hand Vacuum Cleaner is adopted for 2200 mAh high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, which only takes 3 hours to fully charge the battery, and it can run for 25 minutes incessantly. Our charging system also offers 3 layers of protections, including over-voltage protection, over-current protection, and over-temperature protection to ensure safety. Recycled stainless steel filter. The washable air filter of handheld vacuum cordless to provide great isolation and filtering effect. The washable filter can be detachable and easy to wash, which is more durable than the paper filter. Each stainless steel filter can be countless washable and be a fashion design with high efficiency to absorb fine particles. The filter should be dried after each cleaning to keep powerful suction, ideal for completely cleaning. 3-in-1 versatile and white applications. The newest generation Hikeren portable vacuum with 3 diverse types of attachments helps you clean sofa seams, staircase corners, car crevices and so on. The soft pipe is used for cleaning all kinds of pet hairs, dog litter, paper scraps and cigarette ash. The brush nozzle is suitable for cleaning cloth materials such as sofa and blanket and bed. The crevice nozzle attachment is best suited for corner and room crevice and hard-to-reach places. 100%. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.